This is the flag of Oman. This is the map of Oman. In the north, we can see Musandam Peninsula in between the Persian Gulf and the Strait of Hormuz. In the west, the land borders are formed by United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and Yemen. On the east, it's totally coastal area. We can see the Gulf of Oman and the Arabian Sea, which borders the east Oman. Muscat is the capital city, and we can see the imaginary line Tropic of Cancer is close to Muscat. We are now touring Oman. In my previous videos of Oman, you have already seen Nizwa, Jebel Shams and Al Hamrat mountain. In this video, we will visit and do trekking in Wadi Shab. We started from our Muscat hotel in the early morning hours. We are driving towards Wadi Shab. On our right, at first, we can see the city of Muscat. Now this is Amrat, which is on the other side of Muscat. Great desert views of Oman. We stopped for a toilet break in a fuel station. 1 Omani Rial is equal to 217 rupees at present. The petrol price is here 0.18 Omani Rial, approximately 39 rupees per liter. We are now touring Oman. Now today we are going to Wadi Shab. We stopped in a fuel station to take some fuel and a toilet break. You can see this is the fuel station, and you can see the external thing, the mountains and all the hills there, and beautiful roads in this side. And you can see a mosque there also. You can see a mosque there. So it's a beautiful place here in Oman. Thank you very much. I'll keep on telling you further. We can see the Oman Sea in front of us. We left the main road and took a left turn. We are now crossing Hawnazam Park, or a sinkhole park. At first we'll see the sinkhole, a famous tourist spot here. We have reached our destination. This is Hawnazam Sinkhole Park. We have entered the park. Hawnazam Park in Oman. This is also called Sinkhole Park. It's about 600 meters away from the sea, near the coastal town of Bima. Actually, the sinkhole was formed by a collapse of the surface layer due to a dissolution of the underlying limestone. The sun is very strong today. You can see the mountain behind. This is the sinkhole. You can see the water below. It is said that there was a meteor from the sky which created this crater, but the scientist says that it was due to erosion. There you can see the stairs which goes down to the pool, and if you need to swim you can do there. Geologists have confirmed the 65-foot deep pool is in fact a sinkhole, but locals hold on to the legend that a meteorite hit the spot.
See the notice here, you cannot jump here, and Muscat municipality does not take any risk for what you are doing.
You can see the turquoise water. It is around 50 meters by 70 meters and is approximately 20 meters deep.
And that is the Oman Sea there. You can see birds chirping on the tree. Beautiful, quiet place.
After seeing the sinking hole, we are proceeding to Finn's Beach area. Finn's Beach is 1 kilometer left from here.
This is Finn's Beach. This is Sea of Oman. That is the Finn's village.
Actually, these beaches are not regular for swimming. You can see our car is parked up there. These are my fellow co-travelers, Chinmoyda here, Debashish, and Suleiman, our driver cum guide.
You can hear the sound of the water.
Finn's Beach is located on the Amarat-Sur highway and opens up a panorama of strikingly white sands and intriguingly pebbly beach with sparkling turquoise water. After spending some time near the beach area, we are now proceeding to Twe, which is 7 kilometers from here. That will be our starting point of our trek for Wadi Shab. Wadi Shab is a very popular wadi located at Al Sharqa region in Oman. Wadi Shab is less than 2 hours drive from Muscat, and it can be combined with a trip with a visit to Wadi Twe and Bimha Sinkhole and also the lovely beach of Twe. We have reached our destination. This is the starting point of our trek for Wadi Shab. On the top you can see this is the highest road bridge in Oman which crosses this place. From here we need to take a small boat to the other side, from where we have to start walking.
We need to take this boat.
This is our boat and this is the boatman. That is the parking lot you can see from our boat. It is very popular outdoor attraction for both locals and foreigners, and people come here for the nature, to swim in the fresh water pools or just to have a barbecue. We are now crossing the river to the other side.
We now need to walk for 40 minutes up to the pool. Due to the flood water, our trekking route is full of water. You can see we need to walk through this watery area. You can see the flooding. Our road is completely flooded. We have to walk through this forest and reach there near the pool. And this is the cliff here and the marshy land, completely flooded due to the heavy rains. In Oman, we are walking through the completely flooded area. See, Devashish is almost drowned. You can hear the sound of the insects. Stream of water to go to the other side. You can see The tourists are coming from that side. They will cross the stream.
The main attraction of this wadi is the waterfall in the cave, reached after a rough 40 minutes hike and swimming in 2 to 3 pools.
The water is passing through the caves there.
The Wadi Shab gets very popular and is very busy during public holidays, with many families having a picnic at the entrance of the wadi.
Hard trekking.
You have to walk along palm groves, rugged rocky cliffs, and then swim through some pools to get to the main attraction, which is the submerged cave with the waterfall.
We have to walk under these huge boulders to go to the other side. Dangerous roads. How dangerous cliffs they are. The other tourists are taking rests here. You can see the waterfall. You can see people swimming here.
From this point, we need to cross the river again to go to the other side and reach some more pools ahead. And then finally, we need to trek up to the cave with the waterfall. Sometimes the water level is too high and you have to dive under the water to pass through that area to reach the cave, especially if it is after the rainy season. There are ropes in the cave which the tourists can use to climb up the waterfall and then jump in the pool. But unfortunately, we have not explored like that. We were not comfortable to swim through the narrow slit to get to the cave.
After taking cool bath at the pool, we are now walking back to our starting point. We are returning now to our parking area. We have to cross this stream there. Beautiful place here in Oman. We came from this way and now we again have to cross this deep water body. You can see how tourists are coming up. This was due to the flood water, heavy rains in Oman day before yesterday. You know how Dubai was swept away. The boat is coming to pick us up and also bringing tourists from the other side.
We reached the boat station. We'll cross to the other side, that is to the parking lot side.
Mainly European tourists come here to Oman.
After exploring Wadi Shab, we'll now make a short visit to Wadi Twe. This is an Omani fishing village we are crossing now, which is beside the Oman Sea. We have reached Wadi Twe.
Flood water.
These are all the farming areas of Wadi Twe. You can see all green plantations of the area. There are papaya trees, mango trees, date palms, and varieties of fruits and vegetables plantations. The road ahead is flooded with water. This is Wadi Twe. All the farming here are done by the villagers. After a brief stay at Wadi Twe, we are now returning to Muscat. In my next video, see the village of Birkat Al Mauz and then our trip to Jebel Akhdar Mountains. After seeing my videos, please do like, share and comment, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel.